Are you superstitious? Well, it's Friday the 13th, and my name is Cece Cheney, and today I thought we could have a little bit of fun. There's a lot of crazy things happening in the world. The internet is looking really bleak, but I thought we could have a little bit of fun, so I did some Googling and found 5 strange superstitions from around the world. Now, let me know, are you someone who's superstitious? What is a superstition you used to believe in? Do you remember when you were a kid and you were like, step on a crack, break your mama's back? Do you remember that? Like, so you would like jump over all the cracks? Well, what do people in other parts of the world believe? Well, let's dig in. I've got my notes here. So number 1, I thought this one was really interesting. In Japan, they have a superstition that says, never stick your chopsticks straight up. Apparently, it looks like the number 4, which is unlucky in their culture, and it means death. So you don't want to stick your chopsticks straight up if you're in Japan. That's superstition number 1, which I thought was interesting. Number 2, which is kind of fascinating. This is from the Philippines, apparently. In the Philippines, they have a tradition called pag-pag that says that you should never go straight back home after a funeral because you don't want a bad spirit to tag along with you. So they actually say, stop at a store or a restaurant before you go home, just in case. I'm actually quite surprised that I hadn't heard something like that in U.S. culture. So that's an interesting one. Third, in France, and this one is kind of interesting, in France they say, if you step in dog poop with your left foot, you'll have good luck. So if you're freaking out right now and you're looking for some way to get some good luck, if you've had a bad streak, go find some dog poop, stick your left foot in it, and then you'll be totally cool. Do not stick your right foot because apparently that is the bad luck in France. You're welcome. Let me know, as we're chatting about some of these superstitions, what are some superstitions that you used to believe in when you were growing up, or what you still don't do because of superstitions in the past? All right, so that's 3. 4, in Lithuania, I thought this one was really interesting. It's forbidden to whistle indoors because the noise is believed to summon demons. That one's really interesting. I am one of those humans who does not know how to whistle. Like, no matter how hard I try, I basically suck at it. Like, it does not work out for me. But if you were in Lithuania, you wouldn't be able to do it indoors anyways. Can you whistle? Let me know. That's not something that I'm very good at. And the 5th one says, in Turkey, an itchy right hand means you'll come into some money, but an itchy left hand means you're going to lose some money. So that one I thought was interesting because I know that was something I always heard when I was a kid growing up. Like, if your right hand's itching, then you're going to come into some money. Well, apparently they believe the same thing in Turkey. So some of these things go across continents and across oceans and all of these things. So let me know which of those is most interesting to you. Which of those strange superstitions would you believe in if someone told you? And having absolutely nothing to do with that, I know that right now is a scary time for a lot of people. People are freaking out. They're worried about so many things. And if you are someone who was worried about your health, you're worried about what you can do to boost your immune system, and you're just not really sure, what you can do in these circumstances, shoot me a message. I've got a little list of immune boosting things that you might want to have available to you so that you can just have some peace and some comfort of mind, okay? So if you want that, feel free to shoot me a message. Otherwise, happy Friday the 13th. I don't think it means anything bad, and I will chat with you soon. Ciao.